Hey, YouTube fam! Are you ready to learn about the amazing technology behind the artificial intelligence that's been taking the internet by storm? Today, we're going to be diving deep into the world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model that's taking the world by storm. It's like having your very own personal assistant that can answer any question you have, in a way that's both accurate and easy to understand. Think Siri or Alexa, but on steroids. So, how does ChatGPT work? Let's break it down. It was trained on over 45 terabytes of text data, which is like reading the entire internet twice. This means that it has access to a ton of knowledge, and can generate responses that are not only accurate but also conversational and engaging. But it's not just about the amount of data that ChatGPT has access to. It's also about the algorithms that it uses to process that data. ChatGPT uses a technique called transformer architecture, which allows it to process and understand language in a more sophisticated way than traditional AI models. So, what can ChatGPT be used for? The possibilities are endless. For example, it can be used to automate customer service with chatbots, answer questions in real time, and even help healthcare professionals with patient diagnosis and treatment recommendations. One of the most exciting applications of ChatGPT is in creative writing. That's right, ChatGPT can actually generate text that reads like it was written by a human. In fact, there have been some pretty impressive examples of ChatGPT being used to generate everything from song lyrics to short stories. But ChatGPT isn't just a powerful tool for businesses and creatives. It can also be a lot of fun. Imagine asking ChatGPT a question, and it responds with a funny joke or a pun. Or maybe it gives you a fun fact you never knew before. With ChatGPT, it's like having your very own trivia master in your pocket. Of course, with any new technology comes concerns about its impact on society. Some worry that ChatGPT could be used to spread misinformation or be used for malicious purposes. While these are valid concerns, it's important to remember that the technology itself is neutral. It's up to us to use it in a responsible and ethical way. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful and exciting technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. Whether you're a business looking to automate your customer service or a creative looking for new inspiration, ChatGPT has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see for yourself how amazing it is.